What are the most important IoT technologies and protocols that you should know? They are all listed here for you. This table has three main categories: wireless communication, wired communication, and operating system. The wireless section is subdivided into short range, medium range, and long range. So, what we can find under short range subcategory: Bluetooth low energy, that is also known by BLE, but most people say just Bluetooth. As a reference, BLE is the Bluetooth 4.0 that has a lower power consumption from previous versions of Bluetooth. It's a very popular technology. Then we have the light fidelity, or just Li-Fi. It uses light instead of radio to transmit data. The near field communication, NFC, that is also becoming very popular, especially as a payment technology. The radio frequency identification, or RFID, very common on badge systems and other applications in Wi-Fi. For medium range, you can see things like Halo. It operates on a frequency band just below 1 gigahertz, like 900 megahertz. So it offers a longer range and is power efficient, with applications today ranging from smart homes, connected cars, healthcare, industrial environments, agricultural, and smart cities. The LTE Advanced is used by mobile carriers under the 4G network. The LTE Advanced is faster than the regular LTE, allowing peak rates of 1 gigabits and actual download speeds up to 300 megabps and uploads to 70 megabps. After LTE Advanced, we will have LTE Pro, which is even faster and will be offered by mobile carriers through the 5G networks. Under long range, you can find low power wide area network, LPWAN. It's becoming the preferred choice for IoT applications. The majority of IoT devices, especially those in smart cities and industrial sectors, don't require the same speed and bandwidth of consumer cellular devices. However, they do require the longevity of traditional LTE cellular networks. Very small aperture terminal, VSAT, used in satellite communications for both home and business users, and cellular communication that also falls under this long-range wireless communication, and has nothing to do with communication between cells from biology, but is related to top mobile phone communication. Moving up to wired communication, we have Ethernet, Multimedia over Coax Alliance, MoCA, and Powered Line Communication, PLC. Now, for operating systems, we have ARM, that is de facto standard operating system for IoT devices, and Ubuntu, that is very popular also. And then we have the RIoT, RealSense OS, and RTOS.